Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So why wait my friends, let's open this up and do this a very quick video. So the box is very nice and very clean to see, as you can see here, and on the back it is mentioned that it is a glass TR easy fit Galaxy S22 Plus tempered glass, and the price is mentioned here 2899, but I got it for 999, and it is a 2-pack version. As you can see, it is a 2-pack, so we get 2 tempered glass inside the box. So let's open this and check it out. So you have to pull this here, I think, or okay, you have to take it out in this way. So we get 2 sets of tempered glass inside the box, as you can see here. Yes, these are the 2 sets of tempered glasses, and there is an offer for the 15-watt charger, and these are the cleaning kit, and we do get one squeezy to squeeze out any air bubbles, and this is a thank you note from choosing Spigen, and how to install the process. That's it. So why wait my friends, let's start this up and install the tempered glass as soon as possible. So I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. So my friends, first of all I would like to tell you that this is a new phone, and as always in my channel I remove the screen protector that has come with the factory, and install the tempered glass immediately for the protection of the displays. So as it is mentioned here, first of all we have to wipe, then we have to take out the back film and put this easy film in here and slide it like this, and remove this sticker and pull out the easy fit kit and remove the protection film, and then squeeze out any air bubbles. So this is a very simple step, but we have to process it in a very careful manner. First of all my friends, let me tell you, we have to clean all the desk very clean. You have to clean it very clean. To keep it in mind, you have to keep it very clean. After that, wash your hands with soap and dry it with a very nice and clean towel. Then you start the process. So as you can see here is the phone, and we have the squeezy here ready, and this is the kit that has come with the Spigen for the tempered glass installation process. We will remove just one easy clean wipe here. We will need this, and we will take out the cleaning cloth that we have here, and the dust removal sticker. Nothing else is needed here, and this can be reused my friends. So first of all we will remove the company provided screen protector film out of the way. So it has come out. Now you can see the screen is totally clean, but I would suggest you to give a very nice wipe to it and do the process clean, because there might be some dust particles that can go under the tempered glass and make your visibility very unwelcoming. So I don't like any kind of dust particles under my tempered glass. Even a small smudge I feel very awkward and all. So I need it very clean, and I go through this process very nicely and very slowly. And I would suggest you to do this at night. It's better, because after installation you will be not using your phone, and you will keep it on the nightstand, and morning you will be getting a fresh phone with all dust particles or any of the bubbles goes out and everything. So after we done this, we keep this clean cloth and just give it a wipe. Okay, it's done. So now we will use the dust removal sticker and remove any dust particles there. So we get two stickers here, two sets of stickers. We are using only one. After it is done, do check the phone, and then we can go for the tempered glass installation. So do remember to not to breathe on top of the phone right now. If you do that, dust particles will go on top of the display, and that dust particles will remain under your tempered glass. So you have to remove the protective film under this one, the back side. You have to remove it very carefully, and while doing that, do remember to face it down. And here it is mentioned here, this side is top. That means this is the top side, and which side is your top of the display or below of the display, that is also mentioned here with the arrow. You can see there is an arrow here. So this side is top. So we will remove the protective film very carefully. It's done. Now we will check the phone. It is totally clean, as it was mentioned on the phone there, that we will use this glide and push it in this way. So it is pushed now. So as you can see, it is totally pushed here, perfectly aligned, as you can see here. Now what we need to do is press here and slide it. Press here and slide it. So in this way the air bubble will go out if there is any air bubbles. So after it is done, we have to wait for 30 seconds. Let me skip this part. So 30 seconds has been gone. Now what we need to do is one to press and remove from here. So it is mentioned to remove from here. So we will use this. Here you can see it is mentioned remove from here. We will use this and slowly remove it out. The sticker is very tough. Be careful not to drop the phone off your table. Very slowly remove it. Okay, now press it here and remove this. So now the tempered glass is on top of your phone, as you can see here. The next step is to use this squeezy and squeeze out these air bubbles. Okay, so the process is, as it was mentioned, that we need to remove this protective film, but I will not do that, and I don't want to take the risk to scratch the new tempered glass. So it's better to do this in this way. Always remember, my friends, from middle to out, from middle to out, from middle to out. So I think there are some of the areas which need a lot of tough screening out, like this portion needs a tough one, because I think there is a dust particle remained here. If a dust particle is there, so it happens in this way, or else this is the top portion. As you can see, there is a bubble here. There is a big bubble here. We need to remove this too, and while removing the edges, do very carefully, because it might push it out. So we have taken out all the bubbles here. Now we will remove this protective film. As you can see, the installation is perfect. There are some bubbles I can see on the sides, like this area and this area and this area. that we will use the squeegee and check out what we have gone wrong. I think there is a dust particle here, so that's why it is not going out. Yes, there is a dust particle here, and this is perfectly finished. This is perfectly finished. You can just use your finger and push it out. And to check the dust particle, I will show you how to do that also. So the tempered glass quality is really nice. I can feel it in my hand. It's very good, and it's very nice, really nice. I love it. And the oleophobic coatings is also very nice. But let's see. So let us remove it from the dark mode to the color mode, white mode, so that we can check the dust particle. So as you can see here, my friends, I was thinking that there is a dust particle here. Yes, there is a dust particle right here. I don't think that you will be able to see in the camera, but there is a dust particle. So what I will do, since I have 2-pack, I will install another tempered glass on top of it and get my perfect finish. But for general people, I think this is done. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for Galaxy S22 Plus. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.